Check out the new 1/2-inch impact wrench from HART. No hoses, no cords, all power. This is a serious piece of equipment for your garage. Brushless motors are what the pros use, and this tool's got one. So that means more power, longer runtime, and longer motor life. It's capable of 600 foot-pounds of breakaway torque. Torque is twisting power. For reference, a tractor-trailer wheel is attached to the hub around 450 foot-pounds. So if it's good enough for a tractor-trailer, it's going to be good enough for your daily driver. Sometimes in life, it's the little things. And this little friction ring right here makes a huge difference. It makes changing out sockets so easy. If you use an impact wrench at all, you're going to need speed control. And this impact has 3 speed settings. You can dial it down for going into softer material. And for max power, dial it up to 3 and send it. And this onboard light means you can see anywhere you need to get. This battery powers all HART 20-volt tools. Like all HART tools, this piece of equipment is only available at Walmart. Go get one and start wrenching.